Hey everyone, so it's finally time. We're finally here. It's your final assessment for 3.AF.1. Finally done with this skill after this test. So for this assessment, keep in mind everything we've learned over the last couple weeks. First of all, remember exponents. Exponents will take your base number, which is the large number. We're going to multiply it by itself however many times the exponent tells you to. It's the first thing you need to remember. Thing number two, PEMDAS. Remember order of operations. Remember that word PEMDAS. Remember what each of those letters stands for. If you want to write that at the top of your scrap paper today, that would probably help you out as you're working through. Remember, I do that each time I do an order of operations problem. If I know I'm going to deal with a couple, I always write that at the top of my paper so that I remember what I'm doing with each step. And last but not least, you're going to be creating and evaluating expressions. Remember, an expression cannot be an expression unless it has three things. The first being numbers, of course, the second being operators, and the third, and maybe the most important for an algebraic expression, would be a variable. Remember, your variable is going to be a letter, pretty much any letter of your choosing, but remember, you need to define or tell what that variable stands for. Otherwise, you haven't really given me a workable expression. When you evaluate that expression, you're going to have a number that's given to you, and then you're going to plug that in and use order of operations to find the answer. It's called evaluating an expression. All right, that's it. That's all we got. Please make sure that you're reading your questions carefully. Take your time with this and make sure you're using scratch paper. Don't do things in your head, because doing things in your head is just one more step that you could make a mistake, especially if you go back and you're going to check your answers before you submit your test. Having those things on paper will allow you to find any mistakes that you might have. All right, guys, good luck. If you have questions before you begin your test, please make sure you hit us up on office hours. Once you begin the test, it's all up to you because we want to see what you know. All right, good luck. Godspeed.